Hello everyone, here I'm back with another tutorial video on how to unblock someone on OnlyFans. If you want to know how you can easily unblock the person that you've previously blocked on OnlyFans, then here is how you can do it. The first thing to do is to open your OnlyFans application and log into your account, or open up a web browser and type in onlyfans.com into the search box and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, from the main homepage, go and tap on the search icon at the top right hand corner and try searching for users by typing in their username or post. After you find the person you'd like to unblock, simply go ahead and open up their profile, and from the profile page, if you've blocked them, you should be able to see an unblock user button. Simply tap the unblock user button and then you'll be able to unblock their profile on OnlyFans. That was how you can easily unblock someone on OnlyFans account with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.